Alright, this is Stanley's Cup, a little platformer game. I'm going to demonstrate the tutorial here. So the text at the top says tap on this text to go to the next tutorial. You can move Stanley by touching the screen and moving your finger left or right. And that seems to work fine. Next, double tap to make Stanley jump. Stanley can also move while jumping by moving your finger. Next, tap the rink in the right corner to enable and disable the mini-map. So the mini-map will show you all the platforms on the rink, Stanley and any other objects on the rink. Next, tap the pause button to pause the game and tap again to resume. So that works fine. Next, Stanley loses a life when he exits the rink. Try having Stanley fall from the platform. And indeed, you can see when he leaves the rink, he loses a life, as you can see in the left corner here. Next, you gain a point when Stanley collects a puck by colliding with the puck. And every time he collides with a puck, you can hear the sound and see the score increase there. Next, click play when you're ready to play Stanley's Cup. So down here we've got a play button in the tutorial. Click play, and now we're off to one of the levels. This one's called Dump and Chase. So that is the tutorial.